How to fix SteamVR stuttering. Yeah, in this quick video, I'm going to show you couples of troubleshooting steps and as well as the most convenient way to fix this for you to be able to know moving forward. So first, if your SteamVR is stuttering, then what you want to need to do first is just simply unplug your SteamVR directly from your PC or from your laptop, depending where you're using it, and replug it back in and see if it works for you. The other thing that you can do is to log into Vine's team and verify game integrity files directly from SteamVR, and then simply reopen or relaunch your Steam client. Your last resort is to check if your current driver is updated. Go into your Windows search and type in Device Manager. From Control Panel, access it. And then here you should be able to access the graphics card that you're currently using or currently running on your operating system by choosing on display adapters. Choose your graphics and then right click and choose on update driver. Restart the whole thing, relaunch SteamVR and see if it works for you. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix SteamVR stuttering.